Audio of Fincept Terminal. So this is going to be the first episode on the series which we are building. So from this video, we will be covering all the tabs that are present in the terminal. But before jumping to the terminal and the dashboard tab, which I'm going to show you the full intro, I will let you just quickly let you know that how you could download the terminal. Firstly, you need to come on this link, which is Fincept Terminal. That is a GitHub link, and obviously you can start the repo and come down to release section. From this release section, you can download the latest available version of Fincept Terminal. So the current version which I'm using is 4.0.3, and we will be having a new version in the next few days. So yeah, I recommend you to download the version as per your system. Maybe if you are using a Mac, you could download the DMG file. On Linux or Windows, you could download the exe or the uh, dot run file. So yeah, let me just close this and come to the dashboard part. So this is going to be a long video, and we'll be covering everything present in the dashboard. So yeah, just be with me, and I will show you the complete guide of around the dashboard. So coming to first screen, this is the dashboard, and whatever I can see on this dashboard, it is customizable except this market pulse tab. So currently this isn't customizable, so you could simply maybe you if you want, then you could disable it, and if you want, you could enable it clicking this pulse button. Also, we have a compact option where widgets would really be small and try to fit in the complete screen which you have. So you could use the compact button when you want to get more info on the dashboard, but at the same time you need all the widgets in one screen. So yeah, the refresh button as shown, it will force refresh all this data, and all the data will be updated. You could also manually update the data by clicking on this refresh button, which is present in all the widgets. And yeah, so the widget section is really interesting, and you can also save your layout, as well as you could also use some layout which are in default. So these are the layouts which are in default. If you are a if you are a person who does investment making geopolitical analysis, you could always use this type of layouts for macroeconomic. We have layouts for macroeconomist, equity trader, portfolio manager, hedge fund, and crypto trader. So yeah, you could always create your own layout, and we have a lot of different options for this. Also, you could customize the time zone here. You could convert it to your local time zone or the UTC time zone. Also, this rotating symbol line which you see here, you could always edit the symbols present here. Maybe I could add some other symbol. Let's say uh, maybe what should I add? Let me add Apple. ABL. So yeah, just typing the ticker name, it will show me the Apple stock when it has been re-rendered. So yeah, I could right click on this, and yeah, again edit symbol, again edit, and yeah, it will show. So coming to the next thing, we have the widgets main, what we call the heart of the terminal is the like the widget section where you could customize your own widgets. So we have a list of widgets. I won't show you every widget in this terminal in this part, but I will just quickly guide you through all the widgets. So coming to the tool section, we have different tools. We have a widget for notes. So let's suppose I have some notes in notes tab. So I could simply, what I could do is um, just come to the notes tab. I could add something like this is my test note. Yeah. Then I could tag it something like maybe stock. Yeah. And I could associate with some ticker, maybe Apple. I want to buy it when it is low. I could do something like this. I could just save this, and coming back to the dashboard part, it will just show me this node. As you could see, as you can see here, this is the node that I have saved, and yeah, by clicking it, it has opened a merge tab in the dashboard. Now, this is also really interesting. You could just simply drag this layout. Sorry, you can simply drag this layout, and it will resize it automatically. So I have two tabs and similar, like I have notes tab and as well as I have a dashboard tab in my terminal. So I could also align it with the dashboard tab. Like now I could make a tab switch between dashboard and notes tab. Also, I could remove it from here. This is a different section. Maybe we will cover it in some different videos because it is not the part of the dashboard screen. So coming to the next thing, we have a lot of other widgets too. We have widgets on agents, we have widgets on recent file which you imported, we have live streaming options, we have web scraper notes, and maybe let me just show you the live streaming section how it works. So if you add something, maybe I'm a trader which does trading by seeing some Bloomberg terminal videos. Maybe no, not Bloomberg terminal, but Bloomberg videos. So maybe they are a so they are a news publication. If I want to just see their videos, I could come to here. Maybe CNBC would work. Okay, it says DTL not found. So yeah, this is an error which needs to be solved. So obviously when you download the terminal, it will get resolved. So yeah, you can play the live streams, you can monitor crypto markets, equity calendar. We have forex pads. If you have holding some of your holdings in the portfolio tab, it will show you the holding summary also. Let's say I have my own portfolio. So yeah, I could get a glimpse of this portfolio in this portfolio section. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, the portfolio summary. I just need to click on the configure section, and it will show me the demo portfolio which I have in my portfolio, and it will basically give me a summary kind of thing where I could see my PNL and what's the value, at what price did I buy it, and stuff like that. Further, we have a lot of other widgets for different tabs. So the goal of creating dashboard was if you have if you have multiple things and organized in different tabs, you could always add widgets of that tab in dashboard section, so that you could get a glimpse of what the terminal of what terminal you are using. So yeah, this is just an overview kind of thing. And let me just show you by adding a few different widgets. This is a watch list widget where it would replicate all the stocks that I have in my watch list. Come adding some different type of widgets. Maybe let's add some different or new widget. Let's suppose add a sector heat map. So yeah, it will give me a heat map kind of thing where it would show me a heat map of S&P 500 uh, sectors, like what sector is in positive, what sector is in negative. It will show me like that. And we also have different maybe market sentiment. What is it? Yeah. Yeah. So it will give me a grade or fair index. So yeah, that's it. So we have a couple of widgets here. You could always test the widgets by your own, and I would recommend you to explore the complete terminal, adding different type of widgets, and it will never break. You can always come to the reset button and maybe apply a reset. Let's suppose I just applied this. So yeah, it will always reset the layout for me and make the things like it was before. So yeah, you can test out the widgets, and you could test out all the things which are present in the dashboard part. I have just given you a quick demo of everything that we offer in the dashboard, and this was it for the video. uh, in the further video we will be covering news, portfolio, and lot of other tabs. So stay with stay with me, and yeah, see you in next video. Thank you.